Right, a wee video. This is all my stock pigeons now. This is what these ones are. Most of the pigeons in here. Well, wait a minute, Kim, what? I've got my mask on now. Just a minute. There you go. I was wearing, I've got my mask on, that's what I was. Anyway, these are most of these birds in here are all pigeons that I got for Tam McClouds that you sell and birds that he's gifted me as well. But aye, so there you go. I've just no long changed this wee department for them, so that it can accommodate them. There you go, and this is just ample room for them all. There'll be no more stock pigeons coming in here like. So that's it, aye. Looking good, looking good. Some of them, see how he's up there at the back, it's just that this is a strange loft to them. They're Tam's pigeons, Tam McClouds. So that's what it is, they're just settling down, Yeah, come on son, See how many, he's a black cock, a blue cock. There's his, look at that, see that, there's his nest mate, it's not his nest mate, but these are the two cocks that go for Ali Robertson, him and him. Lovely, you crackers. Come on in, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go, there you go. There, up there, there's a red checker cock. There's a red checker cock. Now who he is? That's Tam's Silver Award winner. That's who he is, Prince Charlie. There he is. So there you go, these will be my stock pigeons, Anything you hear I will race to the bitter end. Yeah, look at him cooing about, So they're all, they've all just been, I'm just about to feed them actually, that's what I'm going to do. Just about to feed them. Come on in, come on, come on in. Come on in, come on. There you go. Come on. Come on in, come on. Come on. Whee, what happened there? What happened there? That nest front come off, Come on in, let me take that way. There we go. Come on in, come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on in, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, I can't hold this camera. See this camera, it's a Sony ZV-1. It's murder to work, I can't really operate it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. I've had Tam's birds quarantined in the boxes, When I got them on Sunday, I didn't let them go in here until, what day is this? Thursday. No, this is Friday, so I didn't let them go in there until yesterday, is when I just put them all amongst everybody else. So, and I was happy with their droppings before I actually put them in here, because you know what it's like, Come on, come on, come on in, come on. 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 Already starting to claim boxes, So, these are my stock pigeons of the Tam McClouds. There's two cocks in here off the Ali Robertson for Gum and in Edinburgh. So this is it, these are my stock pigeons. Come on in. Come on in, come on in. Right guys, I'll catch you all on the next video. Okie dokie. Cheery cheery.